Sister, before I get on this video looking any kind of way, y'all know I love y'all. But look, y'all ain't about to come for me, all right? I had to show y'all the end results. Look at the material. Hey my lovelies, welcome back to your girl channel. We are jumping right in today's video with a baddie on a budget.
But I'll be on it always, always and ever.
Today we are doing the Curtain Bang HD lace wig. I am coming to do a video over here on YouTube because I am sure the girlies are going to want to know what did I do to my wig to style her and everything. But y'all, let's first get into it. Before y'all be like, bitch, this crunchy ass wig. Look, I did throw her on for a quick night. Slightly cut her. Slightly, like not really anything. Because I wanted to mainly do the styling on the video. This is her. This is basically how she came. I didn't do anything to her actually. I set my curling iron on 350. I do have my rollers. I have two different sizes. The top will be for the bangs and then this will be for the longer pieces. And yes, I'm just quickly throwing this wig on, girl. Like, I love me a wig that I could just throw on and don't have to do nothing to as far as lace. I think I wanna... Oh, y'all look, see, like this is literally how she came. I barely did anything to her, but for the video's sake, we're about, and for my sake, let's not just blame it on the video, we are about to style her, like for real. Like I need to put a little more volume back into her since I claw clipped it and all of that. So this is her without any styling. Slightly cut the bangs. I do need to go run and get my concealer so I can fix that part, but we're not gonna worry about that right now. And I hate when the hair like falls in my eyes, so we're definitely going to cut her just a little bit more. Let's get started with this because it's bothering me, like my eyes. I don't like for stuff to be poking me in my eyes. Like I really hate it. So I'm gonna take this part right here, like the centerpiece, something like that, and I'm going to take my little razor. It looks like this. You can get this at your local beauty supply, and I'm going to pinch her just a little because I genuinely want to just cut just a little, but I don't want it to be a blunt cut. I want it to still look feathery, kind of how it came. So I don't want it to be like a bold cut. And it's better to start with less hair. Wait, sorry. It's better to start cutting less hair because you can't put the hair back if you cut too damn much. Okay, sister? So do not come around here being scissor happy because you will be pissed off. You cut that damn hair and then you be like, okay, maybe it's a little too short. You can't get it back, okay? And I'm going to slightly cut it. Every time I get this unit, I don't cut too much. Like I really love how the unit comes as is. I just need to trim it a little just so it don't be all in my eyes, all in my face. You feel me? Like I can't do that. I'm now about to get my rollers and I'm going to test her out, y'all, because they said you can flat iron her up to 400. I'm not trying 400. I'm sorry. I don't want to burn my damn wig up. So I did 350. And the curling iron that I am using is Red by Kiss. Oh girl, I love this curling iron. I have another one that I haven't opened yet. Love it down, okay? My sister, my good friend Chelsea, I got this from her. She left it at my house one day. Oh, y'all look. Look, sister. Oh, wait. That stopped me dead in my tracks. 1 second. And then I'm going to just take this roller and put it on there because I want it to just sit while I'm doing my makeup. I am about to do my makeup, so we getting ready to like, oh girl, I don't even need to clip her. I don't even need to clip her. Somebody come get her, she's dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get her. That's gonna be me, cause what? Okay, and then I'm gonna take this piece and I'm also going to curl her and then I'm going to roll her. Should I do a smaller one or should I do a big one for this piece? We're going to do a small one for this piece too. I want to try to leave the longer hair behind. And we're going to curl her. Oh, sister. And I'm going to continue this because I think I'm going to curl the entire wig. I told y'all the ends are a little bit, oh shit, y'all, I didn't even spray the dry shampoo in it. I didn't spray the fucking dry shampoo. We're gonna spray it on the ends. That's mainly where I want it at anyway, so I'll spray the dry shampoo on the bang area when I take this down. I love these little rollers. And I'm just rolling it towards my face like that. Oh, sister. I be getting excited for the littlest fucking things, y'all. It's so funny. Okay. And we're just lightly bumping her. They said it can go higher, y'all, but I am kind of scared of that shit. I'm not going to hold you. I don't really want to burn up my wig. Or maybe I should try it on a higher setting for you guys so you can see it don't burn. So let's actually do that. Because I'm only thinking about me, and that's being selfish because this is also for you guys. Duh. So let's go to 400. It's currently red, so we're going to let her turn green and heat up a little. So give me 1 second. When I come back, like magic. Okay, I'm back. It's green. Okay, I'm about to put y'all on my dry shampoo. Do not fucking sell it all out. Because I'm going to be sick to my motherfucking stomach. Okay? Hands down. Hands fucking... I'm not lying. Hands down. Like, and it's affordable, bitch. Guess where they sell it at now? Dollar Tree. And I didn't get it from Dollar Tree initially, but bitch, they got it there now. And you motherfuckers better not sell it all out. But it smells amazing. Like, I'm telling y'all, Dollar General, Dollar Tree. I don't know if Dollar General have it, but for sure, Family Dollar had it. I'm gonna look and see if I can link you below. But y'all, this is a hidden gem that is 10 out of 10. I tried this about 2 years ago. Never, ever, ever looked back. And I was keeping this on the tuck. We're gonna just spray her. Dry shampoo works wonders on synthetic wigs. Like, wonders, okay? And it's literally gonna take all the shininess out. Oh, girl. It's gonna take all the shininess out, and it's gonna make it smell really good. The oiliness is gone, just like that. Spray her on this side. Brush her on out. Okay. So I'm now gonna take a piece from up here. This big piece right here. And I'm going to curl her. And we're on 400 now. Fingers crossed as my wigs start frying. I want to fight. I want to fight, okay?
Spin that sheet. Spin that sheet. Spin that sheet. I can't do the music, so hello.
All right, let's wait a second. Because it is a bigger piece. So when you are curling bigger pieces, you want to just wait a second so all of the hair can heat up. And also, I'm curling going under. Alright, let's let her go. Cool a second. Move this out the way. That's why I'm rolling it after, because girl.
Also, guys, I got these rollers from Amazon. If you guys was wondering, they're Velcro.
I was just struggling with that damn roller just now. Why was that just that hard just now? I feel like that was like so hard just now. She's falling because I hit her. But let's see. A test. This is a test. Oh! 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 What's that fucking song? Yeah, bitch. Clock it. Oh, girl, I think we on the something. I think we on the something, girl. But y'all, oh my gosh. I went and saw the Michael Jackson movie, y'all. If you went and saw the Michael Jackson movie, comment below, okay? But I went and saw the fucking Michael Jackson movie, and I feel like that movie just inspired me on another level. And I cried my ass off. I've been crying every day for Michael, and I'm starting to feel like, okay, bitch, it's starting to be a little obsessive. But y'all, I swear, I've been crying every day for Michael because, and I'm just being a little vulnerable, bitch. Don't judge me, judge him all. I am on my cycle, you know, and I'm a little fucking emotional right now, and that's okay. And I just been crying for him every day because I'm just like, I don't know this fucking man, but he did not deserve that shit. And Joe, you're gonna fucking pay, even though Joe's not here with us anymore, but still, bitch. But yeah, he's just such a sweet little angel. Like, I always did love Michael Jackson, and I felt like when I was younger in high school and stuff, like, it was like I had my whole little Michael Jackson obsession. Like, it was so bad when I was in high school. And then I finally dug myself out of that because I was like, okay, Alexis, you're a bit obsessive, bitch, don't you think? But girl, it's starting back up. It's starting back up. Oh, girl. And I'm just like, I just put her away and thought it wasn't going to start back up because it was so fucking bad. But girl, it started back up. I love Michael. R.I.P. Mike. I just think I need a quick break. I'm like a child, y'all. Like, I'm really like a child. Like, when I'm getting ready, like right now, I'm getting ready. My boyfriend teases me because he's like, it takes you so long to get ready. What do you be doing? I need breaks when I'm getting ready. I can't just get ready. I need a break. Like, I need a break. I can't. And I know that may put me on a spectrum and it may give off a little, bitch, you childish. But I don't care. Like, I do not care. That's just something I've been noticed in my life. That Lexi need breaks and it's okay. Like, let me just take a quick 5. Go cool down, sit down for a second, play on TikTok like a fucking child. Yes, play on TikTok right quick, and then I'm gonna come back and finish rolling my hair. Cause y'all, I'm not in no rush. I'm literally getting ready, and I'm about to hang out with myself right now. So it's like I love when I'm hanging out with myself, and I don't have to fucking rush what I'm doing. I love that shit, and that's why I feel like I've been so fucking isolated because I just love being to myself. I love hanging out with myself. I just feel like I'm the rawest bitch in life. I feel like every female and beautiful woman, anybody, handsome man, whoever should feel like they're just the fucking best in the world. Like, who else supposed to feel that for you? And I don't give a fuck if they say your head is too far up your ass. Fuck them, bitch. Who else here gonna be up there? Cause if you ain't rooting for you, who the fuck doing it? Oh, okay. I hope TD ain't do it wrong, bitch. Yeah, TD not wrong. I am TD. I'm fucking TD, bitch. Ooh, girl. Let me take my 5-minute break, bitch. Hold on. Okay, tuning back in. I finished my makeup. Now we're about to change clothes because I told y'all this is really my hairstyle. And I need to do my makeup and stuff. This is the look. If you guys are interested in knowing how I did this look, make sure you tune into my vlog. I'm doing a behind the scenes of me getting ready and just showing them, you know, the behind the scenes of what y'all didn't see. I'll be right back though. Alright y'all, so I'm tuning back in. I did change. I have on just a little cute pink jacket, some black tights. I'm gonna wear my little black purse. I'm going to run a few errands, but yeah, it's time for the reveal. I'm nervous because the curls, the pin started to drop a little.
I'm not gonna hold you, sister. It's so humbling having to edit on your damn iPhone, y'all. Why my MacBook broke and I just been editing on my iPhone? Very, very, very humbling. I'm not gonna lie to you, and it's very sad because it's not fun. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, nah. All right, y'all. I think I see it a little. She looking a little cute because it don't gotta be exactly, you know, like the box. Even though I love the box look, but we had to see if I could bring her back because she was thrown all in the closet, y'all. Literally.
I wasn't done talking about editing on my iPhone, y'all. It's so hard to save clips to my phone because I have no space. It's ghetto as hell.
All right. I don't know where my wide tooth comb is, so we're going to just wing it with this brush. I'm going to just brush her out lightly. Because I don't need her that, you know, curled. But something is better than nothing. And at first she was balled up, so.
So how y'all feeling about the hair? Like, comment below what y'all think about this wig.
The only piece that really stayed how it was had to be the band. Like,
Baby, I'm keeping this video raw and uncut. I'm letting y'all see me alter these curls because I hated them.
in it. Because I don't like how the curls came out at the end. We're gonna just fix this side too. I'm keeping all this in the video. Because, girl, I ain't about to do all that editing and cropping nothing out. Y'all gonna see what happened, what I had to do, what didn't work, what worked. Child, because we ain't about to do no fake shit over here. And plus, I don't feel like doing all that in-depth editing for real. Like, because it don't even have to be all of that. So, okay. This is better. Way better. Okay, way better. We could have just did that from the beginning, huh? This is way better, y'all. Okay, I'm guessing we're getting our answer though. Like, I don't know. Maybe we should try straightening her next. But bitch, this is what we got. This is what we got, sister. Like,
All right now, sister girl, what y'all thinking? I really love the outcome of this wig. I feel like I did bring her back to life. She's doing what she needs to do. Very tea, okay? I am using my Ruby Kisses concealer, y'all. I love Ruby Kisses. 10 out of 10. I recommend her every time. And I'm just defining my part a little. But y'all, this is the end results of my hair. Tell me how y'all liking it. I also did a cute little pinup. I'm going to show y'all in the next clip. Hold on. Okay, so I wanted to show y'all. I was about to pin my hair up because I'm like, I would rather it be pinned up. I am looking in the mirror. It's really a quick pinup, y'all. I used a claw clip. Any kind of claw clip will work. It's perfect. I just claw clipped it up. I don't know. It still gives sexy mommy. Hold on. What y'all thinking? Okay, ladies, we are now at the end of this video. If you stayed the whole video, I love you real bad. Make sure you follow me on all social media platforms. I will have this wig and my info linked below. I love y'all. I will see y'all in the next video. Mwah.